So follow along this video tutorial if you want to clean up your computer and make your computer little bit faster. That means it's going to remove all the unwanted files on your computer which you don't require and you don't even know about those files. So let's get started. So what you need to do is you just need to go to this search option and search for PowerShell. So I'm going to search for PowerShell here and you are going to see few options here. So just click the option which says PowerShell ISE. Okay, so I'm going to just click on PowerShell ISE, which is going to open this kind of window here. So here what we need to do is we need to create a new file. So I'm going to just click on this option which says new script, or you can click on the new option from here also. So just click on the new option which is going to create a new script for you. So I have already created this script for you, and what you need to do is you just need to click the link in the description, which is the GitHub gist link in the description, and you just need to copy all the code which is written here. So you can just go to the GitHub page and then click on raw here, and once you see this code you just need to select all, copy, and then just paste it here in your PowerShell ISE terminal. Okay, so just paste this in your PowerShell ISE. Let me show you what this code is doing little bit. So I'm going to just make this a little bit bigger so you can see in a better way. So what essentially this script is doing is it's going to just clean up your recycle bin or trash. It's going to clean up your temp directories, wherever they are. So you can see all these temp directories. It's going to clean up all those temp directories, and then it's going to clean up your disk using this tool. Okay, so once you are done, you just need to save this file. You can just click on file and save as, or you can just click on this save icon here, and then you can save this script on your desktop or wherever you want to save this file. So I'm going to name this file as cleanpc.ps1. so this ps1 extension is mandatory. You don't need to remove this ps1 extension. So give any name to this file and then click on save, which is going to save this file on your desktop or wherever you have saved this file. So you can see this file is saved here. So next what you need to do is you just need to right click on this file and then run with PowerShell. Okay, so just right click on this file and then click on run with PowerShell, which is going to run this script using PowerShell. And once it's done, and if you see finally now running Windows this cleanup tool, and once you are done, it's going to close automatically for you, and you will be able to see that all your recycle bin is clean, all your temp files are clean. So now hopefully your computer will function little bit faster than earlier after running this script.